Hey guys, I think this is probably the coolest place I've ever stood for an intro. We are currently in the desert and we are taking you along on an ultimate desert day. We are doing so much today. We've got quad biking, sand surfing, camel riding, going to an Emirati camp.
Yeah, plenty of stuff, so come along with us.
Thirsty.
Hello. How was that?
I'm so thirsty.
Yeah.
That was
hot.
Amazing.
It was so much fun.
You wanna chat to them for a minute while I finish my water?
Yeah. Yeah, it's so much fun. It's like a roller coaster, but you're in control of it. We both chose to have our own quad bike, so that's Hans here, and that's mine here. We're just following each other.
I just wanted to quickly add that although it looks quite busy here, everything was actually timed perfectly. So just as we arrived, the last group were then getting ready to go back out on their tour, as you can see, and then it was just our group left.
The amazing thing about this tour as well is that there's just a little group of us, and
there's 6 of us.
We're just on our own here in the desert, and it's just so quiet. It's just nothing around.
It's amazing. It's amazing, guys.
Wow.
This is amazing, guys.
Yeah.
I think we're probably about halfway. I think we've got an hour of quad bike and we've probably done half an hour.
Probably half, yeah.
Look how cool Doug looks in his traditional...
in proper traditional, yeah.
He did. I've got one in my bag as well that I think I'll put on later. But yeah.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
It's just beautiful sights as well.
Okay guys, we've stopped off because it's time for sand surfing. So I'm very, very excited. Here's our tour guide with the sand surfing board.
I need to see someone do it.
Come here, bro. Come here.
I'm scared. Oh gosh, Doug's going first.
Already losing balance.
Okay? When you feel unbalanced, don't jump in the front. You just fall back. Sit on your bum, okay? Right. Bend your knee, lower knee, much better. Same like snowboard.
Oh god, Doug. You got this, you got this.
Straight, all the way down. All the way down, all the way down. Welcome to Dubai. Look straight, all the way down, right? And the winner is the board.
Got a steep hill ahead.
Oh, I'm getting tired now.
Cardio.
That was hard. Because in the bus, he was like, yeah, you'll just do it once, probably not even twice. And I was like, why would we not do it? Now I know why. Okay guys, So I think picture time's over and we are now going to head back on our quad bikes and go back to the camp. I'm still out of breath from the sun seven, to be fair. Oh my gosh. I can't really get that much footage on the actual quad bike because Doug and I are on separate bikes, so I have to control it myself. So obviously I've got no hands free, and he was like, you have to be so careful with cameras and stuff, so no one's really filming that much on the bikes. You see Doug, Doug just photobombing there. Yeah, they give you 2 bottles of water, which you bring with you, so that's amazing. So we stop off all the time and have regular check-ins to check everyone's okay. And also to, yeah, kind of.
Where?
You want to be in it?
Hello!
This is our tour guide, Ericsson.
How are you guys? I am your father.
Yeah, I love the mask. That's crazy.
Ride on your bikes?
All right, we're going back on our bikes, guys. Let's do it. I've got to put my helmet back on. I think my shoes are full of sand. Oh, this is my bike. Number 60. Oh, we're finished, guys. We are back.
Guys, kindly use the toilet. Okay. Move your hand. She's crazy. 5 feet. 5 feet, baby.
I literally nearly fell off the bike.
No, actually, I expect when you jump, I said, holy shit. He will. Oh, fuck, he landed good. Okay, go.
Okay, let me provide a quick bit of context here. So we were nearly at the end of our quad biking journey and we came to a massive dip, and instead of braking, I don't know why, I accelerated, so I went down the dip and then literally shot up the other side and flew into the air. The only thing keeping me connected to the bike was my hands. If I had let go of the handles, I for sure would have been in hospital. Doug was behind me and he said his heart dropped because he literally thought it was the end.
This is the sign you get smoke. You do this.
Oh my god, I need to do mine. Oh, jeez. We are all finished with the quad biking now, so we're going to get back in our car with our tour guide and all the people in our tour, and we are going to the Emirati camp. Is that sand? Oh wow. And we're going to the Emirati camp, so let's go.
But today my group is all crazy. First, you lost. Second, you fly.
Yeah, I flew.
Perfect.
The third, we will see.
No, stop it, it's enough.
In the camel riding, I don't know if you will do it. Maybe you will fall in the camel, please. Hold tight and lean back.
Yeah.
I saw you, it's like you overshoot.
Yeah.
You overshoot, right?
Yeah.
Basically, going down is okay. But when you do the sunboarding going up...
Yeah. Oh, it was so tiring.
That's the real work.
So this is Sharjah here.
Sharjah, yes.
And then the other side is Dubai.
Yes.
I see.
We're just going to get in this car here to take us into the camp. Just did a little bit of a dune bashing to get here. That was a bit crazy, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was good fun.
It was good fun. And now we're off to ride the camel. So beautiful. So here's the camp, guys. So we'll come back to here after, and that's where we'll get the henna and the little party and the barbecue. Oh, can you see the camels?
Here they are.
I don't know if I have any energy left to ride the camel. Yeah, Doug and I have been camel riding before in Morocco, which was awesome. We had a great time. But yeah, this time in Dubai.
Come on.
Here we go, guys. Camel riding. It's time to finish off our experience at the Emirati camp. Yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun, guys. I'm very excited. So, get off this camel and I'll see you there. It's not over yet, but it's been amazing.
Yeah, sun has just set.
Yeah,
And,
so it's getting dark now here in Dubai. This is definitely something you guys have to come and do, for sure.
You get a lot for your money doing this.
You do.
We'll go through the details.
I'll leave,
later.
we'll go through the details, and I'll leave who we used down below as well, because they were #1 on TripAdvisor, weren't they, I think? So that's how we found them. Our guide is so good. He was even taking pictures of us on the camels and stuff, bless him. But anyway, here we go.
So guys, welcome to our camp, Al Khaimah camp. Al Khaimah in English are tents, as you can see those tents, all right? Everything here in the camp, ma'am, put it up, my head is cut. Right?
Oh, sorry.
just kidding. No, everything here in the camp is included on the trip. The only thing is not included is the souvenirs, of course. As you can see on your background, there is a man, there is a woman who's wearing their traditional dress, which is what we are calling it, the white one, kandura, and the black one, they are calling it abaya, okay? The man is preparing some hot drinks like Arabic coffee and tea with mint. So, Assalamualaikum Ami. A traditional welcome Arabic snack, which is what we are calling it lugaymat. Basically, it's like a donut with the date syrup. All right?
Oh, you're gonna like that.
Certainly. Okay. I will show you what we have. Please come, follow me.
Oh, wow.
Sun art.
Wow.
If you want to make some sun art, approach them early, okay? Now these are the shisha plates. If you want to smoke some shisha, have a seat, relax, and smoke some shisha for free. Also included on the trip. And henna ladies or henna painting are those ladies. So approach them, have a good henna. Alright, it will last at least 2 weeks. If you want to have some photo on the falcon, that is the falcon guy. This will be your table, okay? When you will be sitting this table, please do this, and it will be solid on the ground. I will give you more pillow.
Okay guys, so we now have free time to do whatever we want in the camp there, so there's lots of different little tents with different things to do. We're gonna head to get a picture with the falcon first. I also forgot to mention, they said later they'll turn the lights off and then we'll be able to see stars, so that's gonna be so beautiful. We'll do some stargazing later. Don't know if I'll be able to get any shots of it, but that will be beautiful. Let me show you our surroundings right now. Yeah, do you see the camels there? So obviously we did that earlier. So here's the camels, we've all got little tables with traditional little cushions. Here's the main stage, so that's where the belly dancing will be and some of the shows. I think down the back is where they're preparing the barbecue. Our table is number 30, it's over there somewhere. We're just keen to have a picture with the falcon, can you see? Have you heard that before?
Yeah, I've done it, not with the falcon though, I've done it with a toucan.
Have arranged for you an amazing evening, starting with the mystical dance of Tanura, the graceful Khaliji dance show. Ladies and gentlemen,
that was insane.
In 2 minutes, we will turn off the lights. Let's submerge ourselves for the next 5 minutes in stargazing. Time to relax before we leave.
Stargazing time. All finished, guys. It was absolutely amazing. We're gonna head back to our guide now, who's gonna get us back in the car and take us home. But yeah, it was amazing.
Yeah, super good.
And we've got a lot to fill you in on, so we'll fill you in when back at the hotel. Hi guys. So we're back at the hotel. To be honest, we are knackered, so we'll be hitting that bed in about 2 seconds. I need to take this bandana off actually. Where to even start? What an amazing day.
Definitely recommend doing an experience. We were with Ocean Air Travels.
Yep, I'll leave their website link below.
They're #1 on TripAdvisor, that's how we found them. And to be fair, our guide Ericsson was just fantastic.
Yeah, he was
made
insane.
the day so much fun and safe as well.
I think with Ocean Air Travels you have the option to do dune bashing, so to be in the car and then to do all the other stuff, or quad biking and then all the other stuff. So we chose quad biking, and to be honest, I'm so glad we did. Quad biking was amazing, and I think we did a little bit of dune bashing to get to the Emirati camp and then out of it as well.
Yeah, so
and
we
that
got
was
a bit of
already kind of enough, like, because
Yeah.
it's very, like, you have to think, like, it's almost like being on a roller coaster. Like, I think an hour of that would have been too much for me.
I think so.
So I'm glad that we did the quad biking.
Yeah. But again, that's personal preference.
Yeah.
The quad biking was just fantastic because the views were amazing and it was challenging as well. But yeah, it was really rewarding with the views especially. And then we went sand surfing as well. in the
Yeah,
middle.
I was rubbish, as you would have
I
seen.
was as well. But good fun though, and good atmosphere. Our group was nice as well.
Really nice, yeah. There was just 6 of us, so just us 2 and then 4 others. So nice intimate group as well.
And then the camp was really good as well. The shows that they put up was
The
great.
fire show that you guys saw,
Oh.
obviously, that was insane. Like, and I know some people who do firework, but like, that was crazy.
And there was lots of little activities that you could do as well, as you would have seen, and everything was included in the package.
So I thought when we got there, he was going to say, okay, like, we do have the shisha, the henna, the whatever, but it's going to be extra. But he was like, nope. What else?
And the food was great. The food
And
was
they
great.
did a buffet round and then a dessert round.
Yeah, and
That was amazing.
little specialities as well. Coffee,
Yeah.
tea, little donuts with dates,
Oh, so good.
syrup, like
So good.
like the Arabic desert.
Deserts.
I'm just losing it now.
Yeah, same, I'm so tired. I can barely hold this tripod. I think it's shaky, sorry guys. Ultimate desert day. You guys have to do it. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.